Believe it or not, we started late, so it's already 2 o'clock, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, you're wasting time.
No, sir.
Hey, let me sing happy birthday to my mother there, quick. Happy birthday, mama. Happy birthday to you. I know you're gonna see that video. Let me take out that off my head. I'm not no Jamaican hoodlum. Let me take out that of my head. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you all the best and many more years to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, mommy.
You see? Even Rome tell you happy birthday. It's 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, we gotta get out of here, man. Yeah, go pick up a bed before it. Fuck that.
So yeah, and dig this one to the
Nah, I'm gonna drive there. Look at the room. Ah, we should be able to dig them, man. From here, no? Yeah. Back with another crazy one today, guys. As you can see, slip and slide. It's a good thing none of us had anything to drink because one of us would be down there right now, eh? So, so stay tuned, guys. We need to put some posts, line it up right on those blue marks. Yep. So, if you need your landscaping done, holla at us. This is the number right here to contact us. Back with another one. Georgia Youth. You can go forward a little. Yeah, man, we're digging, we're drilling, guys. We have some roots in the holes. We got my guy digging one here by hand. It's a terrible place because machine will run down the hill. It's messed up there. My guy learning. Hey! Whoa! Go forward, go forward, go forward. Just pump that back. Reverse. Go forward and then reverse it. Pull that back instead to reverse the drill. Yeah. Yeah, and pull it up one time. So hold on, pull it up. Go forward. All the way. Okay, wait. Hold on. Yeah, and go back a little. Yeah, man, we're drilling. Yes, guys, we are getting there. Room on the drilling. You can see we're down in the cliff. So much with this cliff. It's unbelievable. Homie's doing good. You're doing good. Yeah, man. Our posts are here, 6x6. It's gonna be a short fence, so we have some 6x6x8 in here. My guy's over here dealing with the concrete right now. Yep, stay tuned. So I'm gonna run my string line. Trying to hammer and record at the same time. String line is gonna run parallel to my posts, as you could see. We're just dropping the post in here. It's gonna be a short fence, so they could enjoy the view down here. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. So fish fooders. How are you, mate?
I can put the bean and the pork and grease and everything.
Rumton Rasta? I don't know. Rasta.
I got food. No me.
It's in Ginger Farm. It's in the big one. I found bongo beans. Not here.
Color low and everything mix up. One pot. You know one pot, Mike. Eh?
Hey, now, hey, what do you think me for? Hey, you think me for? Take me for Randy, man. Nothing better than a one pot. We take before that fake Jamaican restaurant. Okay, what's it called? Yeah, box full of long time. You know what happened to the box? It used to be good when your mom was there. If I'm open another location and that one's full of. Usually that's what happens, you know?
Everything when you do this, go have no manager, no.
That's how I love have that.
Something look up, bro.
Yeah.
Check that side. Looks like it won't go there. You have the eagle eye, like
Randy.
Rum Squad.
Yeah. Randy, I did it, mate.
He called me this morning.
Yeah.
I tell him I'm gonna meet him for the fence. Hey. But tomorrow they're calling for rain, so Jaja, you think go work it look like?
Rain?
That's what he told me, so.
That are color right there.
I take the man's stick.
Yeah, I one of them hold one dog over there.
Yeah.
Ah, they hold the dog there, man.
Oh yeah. Room.
That.
Yeah man. Rock up, eh? Woo. Wow. That job made us work hard for absolutely no reason.
Always not hard.
Guys, job well done, as you can see. We did it.
And then use the dirt from over
Yep, and backfill it, make a retaining wall.
Yeah.
So yep, guys, job done. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace. We out.